Hey guys, so here is the update on the Zeon ecosystem airdrop and the mainnet new task. So someone was asking about this mainnet tax, this new tax. All of these block X, Zeon market, NOX, everything you are seeing here, they are under Zeon ecosystem. So this Zeon market just released some airdrop allocation for those that participated in Zeon testnets and those that are staked on this mainnet. That is, if you have been farming this mainnet and or you also participated in the testnet for the Zeon airdrop, then you should be eligible for this Zeon market claim. So that's it. So now the claim, I think they are listing this one on May 8th, 2025, on the 8th of May 2025. This is Zeon market, one of the projects that is built on the Zeon ecosystem. This is not the Zeon itself. Remember, Zeon has already been listed since February, and people that farmed the testnet got allocation and were able to take profit then. But for this one, this Zeon market is an part of the ecosystem project. And if you participated in the testnet or you have staked on this mainnet airdrop farming, this is not Zeon, the Airdrop market allocation that you are seeing is still different from this season 2 that we are farming. This season 2 is Zeon Mainnet, and you can see we've been claiming karma. So if you are farming this Zeon Mainnet, you'll be eligible for all of this Zeon ecosystem project airdrop. As you can see, block S, this one is the only one. This Zeon market is the only one that has released the allocation so far. But I think this block S, NUS, all of these ones, water drop, they are still part of the Zeon community. So meaning that probably we should still be able to get something from them, apart from the season 2 allocation of this Zeon airdrop itself. Zeon is a blockchain coin, and all of these other projects are building on it. So that's the clarification. So if you participated in the testnet or you've been participating in this mainnet task for airdrop season 2, then you can check your allocation for this Zeon market, and you'll be needing 2 Zeon coin to claim. Personally, I don't know how much this is going to worth. And using 2 Zeon coin to claim, you see, you need at least 2 Zeon coin in your account to redeem your airdrop. So if you don't have 2 Zeon coin, you'll not be able to claim your allocation. If I want to send in my Zeon coin, this is my wallet address. As you can see, if you want to check your allocation, copy and paste this link to your browser, connect your Zeon account. You see sign in at the top of the page here. Log into your Zeon and automatically you have this page and you see your allocation. Then if you want to deposit Zeon, just copy this address, go to Bybit, Bitget, Get.io, any of these exchanges to buy Zeon or wherever you have Zeon, and send it here to claim your allocation. So that's what I'm going to do to claim this 10,000 token of this Zeon market airdrop. I don't know how much this will worth, but I think they said it will be listing on 8th of May 2025. So let's hope till then. So that's for the clarification about this Zeon market. Now for the new tax that are available for this Zeon mainnet airdrop farming. Because this is a mainnet airdrop farming, you have to use funds to farm the airdrop. This is not testnet where you have to do testnet tokens or you to get allocation or all of that. This one, you have to use your funds to farm. So you see this, play the most user-friendly decentralized casino games. So if I want to play this game now, this if I click on this see details, I will see something like proof of humanity. And if I click on this visit app, I'll be able to play the game directly. You see where I click on visit app, and here is the block.phone.game something. So let's see. You'll be needing some funds, maybe the Zeon coin itself, to play this game for you to earn. It's part of the airdrop thing. You'll be needing some coins, so let's wait and see how to play the game. These are the new tags added to this Zeon ecosystem, like the mainnet farming. So if you are yet to sign up on this mainnet airdrop, check the registration link in the description box of this video. Here you'll be able to sign up and start participating so that you can be eligible for Zeon coin season 2 airdrop itself. Apart from all of this ecosystem airdrop, the season 2 airdrop itself will, if you farm this mainnet, you'll be eligible for season 2 airdrop itself, apart from the projects that are building on this particular project. So here is it. I don't think I want to. Okay, let me just set. I'm trying to show you how to farm this new can we get over this already? So as you can see, here is the game overview. You see game overview, room, liquidity, Zeon, all of these things, owner, place. So you see, place. If I want to add more funds, I'll use these funds. I'll click on add funds and deposit. So if I want to place my my game, I will select if it's minimum is 0.1. If I select this minimum is 0.1, then I can use it to participate in this game. I don't want to do more. 0.1 is okay. I don't like all this betting thing. Okay, I think I don't know how to play this game actually, because I'm not even a game fan. But I think you have to select a number, and whenever they spill and the number came to what you selected, you win, or the other way around. So that's, you see, it will spin. Okay, I think I've gotten it. So if you're interested in this game, I've just showed you how to play this particular one. So that's for this Block S game. For some people that are wondering the proof of humanity, if you want to access the proof of humanity, if you click on this see details, you see initially the first time I clicked on visit app and I saw the game dashboard. But if you click on see details, you'll be seeing something like this, and you see complete your ritual here. So here you will be able to see the proof of humanity. So that means each of those two tabs has different thing that you'll be seeing on them. If you click on see details, you see proof of humanity. But if you click on visit app, you see the exact task to do to participate in that particular one. So for this proof of humanity, you see, I think I meted one already, because I staked. If you stake and you breach, you are you've completed the proof of humanity. That's how it works. This is what I've meted so far. This level 2 mortar 2. You can see explore identity, and these are the next one. You see the one that follows this one, hide reputation position, all of this one. So depending on which one you want to do, you see this particular one, this is where I am currently am. So to upgrade my proof of humanity, you see old 20 Zeon, NOS, create an account on OS, Zeon market, get at least $20 in total belts on any market, Zeon market. So these are the tasks you have to complete to be able to get. The higher your proof of humanity, maybe the higher your earnings as well. So if you want to earn more from this proof of humanity, maybe you want to get to this champion, demigod, warrior, divine spin. As you progress, it comes with all of these things that you have to do. So this is what you have to complete. All these ecosystem tasks are what you have to complete to be able to get the proof of humanity. The proof of humanity shows the current stage that you are on the airdrop, on the ecosystem. You see Malta level 0 to 5. Malta level 0 to 5. This is where I'm currently, and because I'm in level 2. So the more of these tasks you do, the higher you get your proof of humanity. It's not as if you are doing KYC or you want to snap picture. No, that's not how it works. The more the tasks you do on the ecosystem, the higher you upgrade to your next level of proof of humanity. That's how it works. You see, Promethean Saga identity. This is your identity. Your level is your proof of identity. Is your proof of humanity. The level that you belong to, by doing the by participating in the ecosystem task, will determine your level of identity, and that is simply means your proof of humanity. So this is not where you have to do all of those KYC and all of that. So had it been I've played that game, I'll click on collect, and the 10,000. I think I have to play this game because this is 10,000 Kama. The 10,000 Kama will be added to my available balance, to this Kama. So same thing with this Zeon, same thing with this EOX. If I click on visit, I'll be able to see the tasks to do on all of this. I hope I've explained this Zeon ecosystem tax enough for you to be able to understand what you need to do. So Zeon coin itself I've listed. What you are expecting, what we are currently farming is the season 2. And their ecosystem drop, meaning that it's just a multiple drop that you should be expecting if you decide to participate in this mainnet farming. Remember, you are using funds to farm. So meaning that you use your funds to buy Zeon coin and deposit it there to do all of these tasks that you want to do. So you see proof of identity activity, claim secret code, generate your secret code identity. I'll click on this. Then you see join NOX and start earning today. Verify activity. Let me click on review code. Okay, do not share. I'll click on open. So just open each of the tasks, click on visit tab, and you see what to do under each of the tasks. Complete as many as you can for you to be eligible for more airdrop tasks, for more airdrop reward, and from the ecosystem airdrop reward as well. So guys, this is the update about the Zeon airdrop and the ecosystem airdrop. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell. Join my Telegram community. Check the link in the description box of this video and the link to sign up on this XION Mainnet airdrop if you haven't. Start farming so that you can benefit from other from every of their other rewards. Thank you guys. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.